From the Thinkubator at the Tech Valley Center of Gravity, this is STEAM Powered Saturday, a free monthly event where children ages 4 to 12 and their families are invited to visit us for a fun, creative, hands-on project. These mind-expanding projects help children discover creative play through science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics. This month, we're exploring plants and seeds. Let's take a look at the life cycle of a plant. Every plant begins as a seed. Each seed has an outer shell. This outer shell protects the baby plant, called an embryo, inside the seed. When you plant a seed in good soil and add some moisture, the seed shell splits, revealing the embryo. The moisture activates the embryo, and the seed begins to grow roots. The roots soak up all of the nutrients in the soil, and the seed begins to sprout, becoming a seedling. Growing a plant from a seed is a process called germination. Once it's a seedling, your plant is ready to begin photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the name of the process plants use to convert sunlight into energy. Once your seedling begins photosynthesis, it will grow into a full plant. Eventually, it will begin to flower and produce its own seeds. Then, the cycle is ready to begin again. Now, it's time to try it ourselves. Here's what you'll need: some seeds, water, good soil, and then add some sun. You're also going to need a container for your seedlings. You can buy one from a store, but we like to reuse materials from around the house. Here, we have toilet paper rolls, soil, popsicle sticks, a marker, and a scissor. Remember to ask for help from an adult when using scissors. We'll also need your seeds and water. Let's start by cutting slits into the bottom of your toilet paper roll. Now, we'll fold the slits in to form the bottom of your container. Fill up your container halfway with soil. Add your seeds to the container and add just enough soil on top to cover the seeds. Sprinkle some water on top to start the germination process. Finally, you can label your plant using popsicle sticks and a marker. We can also use an egg carton you have around the house as a container. Fill up the egg carton halfway with soil. Then, add your seeds on top. Add enough soil to cover your seeds. Water your seeds and leave them somewhere sunny so they can begin to grow. Our last container can be made using a plastic cup and a push pin. Start by using the push pin to make small holes on the bottom of your cup. Ask an adult for help. Now, fill the cup a quarter of the way with soil. Add your seeds to the cup and cover them up with some more soil. Water your plants and you're almost done. Make yourself a label using a popsicle stick and a marker. Place your plant somewhere sunny so it can grow. Don't forget to clean up your workspace when you're done. Thanks for joining us for STEAM Powered Saturday. You can pick up kits at Bard & Baker in Troy. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next month for another STEAM Powered Saturday. We want to thank the Albany Society of Engineers Foundation for their generous, ongoing support of STEAM Powered Saturday. Our special virtual editions are brought to you through additional support from GE Healthcare in Troy, New York, and Agora Media.